For the second time in quick succession, Lidl have let me down again, but not to worry guys, I hot-footed it straight across town to Aldi where I found some equally good star buys. This one is a little peach, but I'm going to come back to that shortly with the price, because what I want to do is get into this tool and show you how many good tools there are, because some of them are even cheaper than Lidl. So without further ado, let's go and have a look at these tools. So first up today, we have a wonderful tape measure coming in at £5. I think that's a steal of a deal, but don't worry, we're going straight on to some of the high value items very soon. I was quite impressed with this moisture meter. We all love one of those in woodworking. Really good product. Coming in at a steal of a deal at £9. I think that's really good. For £12, you have got a ratchet set. Now, these were about 14 in Lidl from what I remember. So Aldi's winning on the price battle there. Couple of hand tools to get you started out. Not really my bag, but I thought I'd show you this because it had a mitre gauge on it as well. So you could make various types of cuts. All coming in at a very reasonable price. I don't think you could go wrong. Moving on, now this is somewhere that I do need to up my game because my wife goes nuts every time I ruin another pair of normal pants or a t-shirt or hoodie in the garage. Workwear for around 12 quid for each piece. I don't think you can go wrong. And the feel of them, they were actually alright. They didn't feel like 40 grit sandpaper for a change. I think 13 quid for a pair of pants and a tenner for a hoodie. I think that's more than reasonable. What do you guys pay for your workwear? Coming in now, I think this is really good. So you've got the Ferrex battery platform coming at 15 quid a battery. Not bad. And one of my favourites, look at the colours on these spray paints. Coming in at 4 quid each. Comparable to Lidl. Quite happy with that. Now this is something that I did come away with. Star buy number one is some chalk paint for a £5. Outdoor chalkboards for the kids are a must in the school holidays. Talking about things that are must, look at these for some simple but effective storage for the garage. £4, doubles up for the workbench, can't go wrong. Now here's the star buy of the day, or certainly the main one. 25 quid for a recep saw. I think that is phenomenal value. You can't go wrong with that. Just like some of my commentators love me saying, you can't go wrong. If you've had enough of my little catchphrases, feel free to drop it in a comment, suggest a new one for me, and I'll see what I can come back to. Now, coffee cups, whether you're a maker that's going to laser engrave, or you're just the sort of guy like me who has a pure addiction, £6 for a workshop coffee cup that's going to keep it warm for hours is fantastic value. Speaking of value, sometimes it's the little things. £2.50 for one of these miniature screwdriver sets. You'll be amazed at what sort of things need a little bit of a tweak. Glasses come to mind, workshop safety goggles, that sort of thing. Anything where you need to just tighten those little screws in the arms. What a fantastic kit for £2.50. Going from one end of the spectrum to the other, from the tiny stuff to protecting the good old sausage fingers that I know we've all got. That's right, I see you in the comments. I know that you have big sausage fingers. Just like I know that you've got drafts going all over the place in your workshop. £1.50 to knock out a draft. You can't go wrong. Now this was another great find. A nice simple screwdriver set. Beginner type of set. £13. You can't go wrong. Star buy number 2. Or are we on to number 3? Because we had the chalk paint as well. Is a hammer drill. Look at the size of this beefy thing. Coming in at a really reasonable price. I think it was all the way down at £25 again. I genuinely think you can't go wrong. But moving on from there, clamping sets, 2 12-inch clamps, squeeze grip clamps for a small £6 value. That is cheaper than Lidl, and I don't think you can go wrong there. Work lights. We all like to think that we're the brightest thing in our shops, but let's be honest, it's the lighting. And these were a steal of a deal coming in at not very much money. I managed to find a second stack of batteries. So for all of you that have been commenting and telling me how poor you find Lidl for stocking batteries, Aldi seem to be 100% better. I can say that. We've got a little grinder multi-tool coming in at £13. The sort of thing that you can do a detailed finish with on a project. It's a steal of a deal. Right, we're back in the workshop and I think we found some really smart deals at some really sensible prices. I'm going to keep working hard for you guys, trying to find you the best tool deals around, looking at ways to making this hobby more accessible for more people, because I don't think that money and price points should be a barrier for all of us. So if this is something that you like, let me know in the comments. If you've got a new catchphrase for me, because even I'm getting bored, let me know. Failing that, if you're getting some value from this video, drop me a like, a comment, a subscribe, anything to let YouTube know that you see some value in my content. Coming up for you guys, I am going to stick with a budget tool, but come up with a slightly different angle. I've got this longer 15-watt laser. It's the cheapest I could find out there. I've took it for review to see if this is the sort of thing that you can incorporate into your basic woodworking tools collection that's going to feel like a luxury without breaking the bank, and also get you some value from it. So that's coming up in the next couple of weeks. Other than that, I'll be back with a build project hopefully next week when the kids are back at school. Please be back at school next week, because I can't cope with any more not building weeks. Anyway, I'll stop because I'm digressing. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, I'm Ross. This is Fat and Woodworking, bringing you the best deals around your local area. See you on the next one, guys.